A massive tornado is seen tearing across Athens in Alabama, one of a swarm of twisters which have battered parts of the US, killing around 20 people in Indiana, Kentucky and Ohio. At least one person died in the Indiana town of Henryville, where television images showed homes blown apart and a school bus thrown into the side of a building. Many schools, offices and roads throughout the Midwest have been closed, with weather experts predicting a repeat of last year, which saw 550 people killed by twisters, making it the deadliest in a century.